Now our motto determine limit x tends to 2 under root x minus 2 plus under root x minus under root 2 divided by under root x square minus 4. So how can do it? First of all, that one, if you write now x tends to 2, before solving put x is equal to 2, then we got 2 minus 2, that is 0. If put here 2, so 2 under root 2 minus under root 2, that is also 0. So 0 plus 0, that is 0, divided by, if put here 2, then 2 to power 2 square, it means 4, 4 minus 4, that is 0. It means we got 0 by 0 form. So you can solve this question with the help of two methods. First one conventional method and second one L'Hospital rule. If you solve with the help of conventional method, then how can do? Simply written x tends to 2 under root x minus 2 plus that one under root x minus under root 2 divided by that one written basically x minus 2 into x plus 2. Clear or not? Very simple. Okay, basically that one, I know that x square minus 4 is written as, so basically x minus 2 into x plus 2, using that formula here right now here. Okay, after that, now limit x tends to 2, okay, under root x minus 2 divided by that one written under root x minus 2 into under root x plus 2 plus limit x tends to 2 root x minus 2 under root 2 divided by how much? Under root x minus 2 into under root x plus 2. Okay, that one and that one are cancel out, and this one 1 upon under root x plus 2. So that one written limit x tends to 2 under root x plus 2. Clear? Now after that, plus limit x tends to 2, that one written x minus 2 divided by under root x minus 2. So first of all, rationalize x minus 2 to under root x plus root 2, and that one x minus 2 into under root x plus 2, rationalize that one. Okay, this one is multiply and this one is divide, then value is not change. After that, put here x is equal to 2, then we got that one under root 2 plus 2. But what about that value? Limit x tends to 2. Here I know that under root x under root 2 to whole square, this will be equal to x minus 2. Okay, this one root x minus root 2 plus, sorry, into under root x plus root 2 is how much? Under root x square minus under root 2 square, that is that one written x minus 2. So basically that one written x minus 2. Okay, clear or not? So limit x tends to 2, upper part we got x minus 2 divided by how much? That one under root x minus 2 into under root x plus 2 into root x plus root 2. Okay, now what about that value? That is 1 upon, that is 4 under root 4, that is 2, plus limit x tends to 2. What about that value? We got under root x minus 2 divided by under root x plus 2 into under root x plus under root 2. Basically here x minus 2 upon under root x minus 2, x minus 2 divided by under root x minus 2 is basically, that one is, upper part is written x minus 2 into under root x minus 2 divided by, so that one cancel out. So finally we got under root x minus 2. Clear or not? So basically that part is under root x minus 2. So that's why directly written here under root x minus 2. If you not understand, then you can solve. After that we got like. Clear? So put after that, put x is equal to 2. Then what about that value? 2 minus 2, 0. Okay. So final answer is 1 by 2 is the right answer. Okay. Make it. If any doubt, then comment it. I will discuss again.